So, hello Priyanka, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. So, are you ready for the conditional sentences?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm ready.
Okay. So, my first question would be अगर तुम मेरे घर में होते तो मैं डांस करती.
If you were at my home, I would dance.
I would dance. Okay. अगर तुम मेरे घर आओगे तो हम लोग मॉल चलेंगे.
If you come at my home, we will go mall.
Okay. If you come to my home, ठीक है? We have to say.
If you come to my home.
अगर तुम अभी मेरे साथ बाहर घूमने चलोगे तो मैं तुम्हें एक चॉकलेट दूंगा.
If you go outside with me, I will give you chocolate.
ओके. अगर अगर तुम मुझे एक किताब दोगे तो मैं तुम्हें स्टोरी सुनाऊंगा.
If you give me a book, I will recite you a story.
ठीक है. ओके. अगर मैं एक टीचर होता तो मैं भी स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाता.
If I were a teacher, I would teach students.
अगर मेरे पास 10 करोड़ रुपए होते तो मैं इस बंगलो को खरीदता.
If I had 10 crore rupees, I would purchase this bungalow.
अगर मैं एक एक्ट्रेस होती तो मैं भी मूवी बनाती.
If I were actress, I would.
मतलब मैं भी मूवी में काम करती.
Okay, I would do work in the movie.
ओके. अगर मेरे पास एक कार होती तो मैं उसे चला रही होती.
If I had a car, I would drive that.
चला रही continuation. We have to say I would be driving that car.
I would be driving. Yeah, I would be driving the car.
अगर मैं अभी स्विट्जरलैंड में होती तो मस्ती करती.
If I were in Switzerland right now, I would have fun.
I would have fun. Okay. अगर कल तुमने मुझे उस कार से नहीं बचाया होता तो मैं आज सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर रही होती.
If you hadn't saved me yesterday, I would not be celebrating.
हाँ, I would not be celebrating today. Okay. अगर कल मेरे पास एक कार होती तो मैं तुम्हें कल घुमाने ले जाता.
If I had a car yesterday, I would have
taken
visited you.
I would have taken you with me.
Okay, I would have taken you with me.
For hangout, ठीक है, we have to say. Okay. अगर कल तुम्हारे पास मेरा नंबर नहीं होता तो तुम मुझे कल कैसे कॉल करते?
If you hadn't had my number yesterday, how would you have called me?
Okay. अगर कल तुम कॉलेज नहीं गई होती तो तुम्हारा सम्मान कैसे किया गया होता?
अगर तुमको
कल कॉलेज नहीं गई होती.
If you hadn't gone college yesterday, how would you have been
respected?
Yeah, how would have you been respected?
How would have you been respected? Yesterday. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
कल अगर मैंने तुम्हारी मदद नहीं की होती तो वो गुंडे तुम्हें मार डालते.
If I hadn't helped you yesterday, the goon would have killed you.
Would have killed you. Okay. अगर कल मैंने पुलिस को कॉल नहीं किया होता तो चोरों को नहीं पकड़ा गया होता.
If I hadn't called police, the thieves the thieves would not have been arrested.
If I hadn't made a call to the police yesterday, ठीक है,
Yeah.
the thieves would have not been arrested. Okay. अगर कल मैंने तुमको वो साड़ी नहीं दी होती तो तुम आज पछताते.
Okay. If I hadn't give you the sari yesterday,
Given.
you
Given.
yeah, given the sari yesterday, you would
तुम अभी रिग्रेट कर रही होती. You would be regretting
You would be regretted. You would be regretting
right now. Okay. अगर मैं एक एक्टर होता तो उस दिन लोग मुझसे ऑटोग्राफ लेते.
Okay. If I were an actor.
If I were an actor.
People,
If I were an actor.
If I were an actor, people would have taken autograph that day.
People would have taken autograph that day. अगर कल तुमने चाय अच्छी नहीं बनाई होती तो लोग तुम्हारी तारीफ नहीं करते.
If you hadn't made good tea yesterday or delicious tea yesterday, people would not have
admired you, appreciated you.
Yeah. Okay, would not have appreciated you.
अगर कल की पार्टी में तुम डांस करते तो तुम भी एंजॉय करते.
Okay. If you had fun in the party yesterday, you would have been enjoyed.
नहीं, कल की अगर कल पार्टी में तुमने डांस किया होता तो तुम भी एंजॉय करते.
Okay, if you had
danced, if you had danced
yesterday, you would have enjoyed over there.
अगर कल तुमने मुझे मेरी बाइक लौटा दी होती तो आज मुझे पैदल नहीं आज मैं पैदल नहीं जा रही होती.
If you had returned my bike yesterday, I would not be going on foot
today. Yes. Okay. So last one. अगर तुम मेरे रिलेटिव ना होते तो मैं कल तुम्हें जोरदार थप्पड़ मारती.
Okay, if you were not my relative, I would have slapped you yesterday. Brutally.
Okay. अगर कल मेरे पिताजी को सम्मानित नहीं किया गया होता तो मैं उस फंक्शन से चला आता.
If my father hadn't been respected yesterday, I would have come from the party.
I would have left the function. Okay.
Left the function, yeah.
Okay. So Priyanka, you were very good in your conditional. You spoke every sentences very well. So I feel that you have a good command over the conditional. So you should keep going like that. Okay, Priyanka? So next time we will have lot of fusion with passive also and causative also. Okay? Okay, Priyanka. Yeah. So did you enjoy this session?
Yeah, ma'am. I enjoyed a lot.
Okay. So, Priyanka, I'm going to stop here. Bye, Priyanka. Take care.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.